Hello everyone. Photography and videography has always been my passion from the very beginning. Though whatever little I do or I have done already is all without any proper professional equipment and any support from my immediate family, which truly depicts my passion and love for becoming a successful vlogger and a video creator. Then I'll forever continue, no matter how much hate comes my way. I'll always chase my dream. वो कहते हैं ना, वो आप कभी छूटने नहीं देने चाहिए. So here I am, a dreamer, a believer, an amateur vlogger, and passionate 16-year-old level kid, Roshan Nadeem.